Let me show you how to take your favorite beverage and cool it down fast in 90 seconds. So if you take your favorite beverage and plunk it into a cooler of ice, it'll take 20 minutes or more to cool it down to the perfect temperature of 40 degrees. So let me show you a faster way. First, get yourself a Powerade bottle. It'll have 3 bumps on the side like this, and it needs to be one of these flat tops. The bottle is 7 3/4 of an inch long. First, take the lid and drill a 1/4 inch hole in it. Get a 1/4 inch bolt about 1.5 inches long, 2 washers, and a nut. Take the bottle and cut it all the way around between the letter D and E. It's easiest to start near the bottom and cut your way up. Drilling 2 large holes in the side is optional. It'll help it cool even faster. Now push the pop can in, making sure that the tab is facing downwards. It'll push perfectly into the Powerade bottle and hold it nice and snug. And make sure your drill is on low speed, not high speed, and yes, it makes a difference. Now turn on the drill, full speed on low. And just so you know, this can started out at 73 degrees Fahrenheit. And the interesting thing is, by spinning it up so much, it doesn't create any additional fizz. Simple and works really well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the dinger to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.